Alright, so you may be wondering what the hell is going on. Pretty much we came to New York for a vending event. So at the vending event, we're setting up here. I threw the drone up in the air, shot some shots, and trying to make some sales. So essentially you're just gonna watch a nice time lapse and throw up these shots of me trying to talk to people, finesse them into buying some stuff, and doing that there. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to drop a, is that right? There we go. Drop a comment below. And yeah, this is the Sankofa Fest in Brooklyn, New York. So yeah. What's up, man? How you feeling? How your day going? Good day? Go back, go back.
Yeah, this one is darker. You want that one?
Yeah, darker version.
Oh, wait, I didn't see that.
Okay, we swap it out again. You doing it one more time? Okay. Just double check, triple check. Yeah. So, Chris, how are you enjoying this? Enjoying the Sankofa Fest so far?
I'm enjoying it a lot.
Okay, she's enjoying it a lot, folks. She's a great. How are you? You have great hair. God damn, that's nice. So yeah, she's enjoying it a lot. We're having a good time here, hanging out and just doing stuff, you know, having a good old time. And yeah, video. I did love it.
You did do a video. But if you are interested in the website and have the car, you have the car, place an order, we'll ship it to you. Thank you, appreciate it. Thank you so much. Safe travel.
Thank you. But I did promise a free sample of the Never Nine. Would you still like to take one off anybody? I love her film. Oh, 24 karat gold with cheese hair body oil.
Oh.
No tango,
Got it.
coconut, bullshit.
So like jojoba or...
That's fine. Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine. Using something where it's like, right, using it as fake stuff, alcohol in a lot of times. But that alcohol is inside that. That'll eat the wood up. I'm not responsible for that. That's on y'all. That's on y'all.
Okay, can you take my money then?
Which one do you want? The triple threat? You want the dual threat or the rat tail?
How much is this one?
I can't.
Oh,
I
okay.
misspelled it down there.
Okay.
The chopper threat. That's the chopper threat. Okay, so inside of it, olive oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, golden Indian castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, flaxseed oil, and fir essential oil. Woo. All right, there we go. You look good.
So I want to get that.
On my face.
How will you bless I make this.
My voice will be heard. Soul is infinite, it's infinite. Put your fist in the air, you're feeling it, you're feeling it.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
Right, soul is infinite, it's infinite.
I mean, you in my video though, right?
You're feeling it, you're feeling it.
Wait, so you're gonna videotape me videotaping you?
Yes.
Ready? Hey, so tell us your name.
Michael NightWing, how are you? I'm the chief product mixer of Netter Gold. So, yeah.
Hey, let's look at your table. What you
Okay.
have to offer.
Well, let's come on over here. Let's take a look and see, shall we? Foul. Okay. We have, 24 karat gold, oil infused combs and whatnot, stuff like that. The good stuff. We got hair oils, beard oils, tattoo ointment things. We got mirrors, so you can look fantastic at any given time. All right, so it's about like 6:13. Getting a little tired. Made some money though. Nice, decent. Fix this color. There we go. Made some money, decent. But it's 7 o'clock. We're heading out. It takes about a 4-hour drive back home. So yeah. So we're done. You done? Okay, that's her done dance. Yeah. Right. It's my baby mama.